Today we're going to talk about the key investment principles and the Coutts multi-asset fund as a way of accessing those. What are our 5 key investment principles? We believe in taking a long-term view and having patience. We take a global macroeconomic view, taking into account political factors, economic factors, and demographic factors. We believe in buying quality assets. We also, at the same time, believe in being selectively contrarian, meaning that sometimes we will buy assets out of favor. And finally, we also believe in investing our clients' money in a diverse way in order that we can spread the risk and enhance returns. What is a Coutts multi-asset fund? It's a cost-efficient way of accessing the Coutts house view and investment philosophy. It's a series of actively managed funds available in a range of currencies and risk profiles. It is also a unitized proposition and therefore provides daily liquidity to investors.
What is the CMAF range of funds? CMAF has 2 sets of funds, the UK funds, which are largely sterling biased, and the global funds, which are largely dollar biased. Now, the global funds also have a euro and a sterling hedge share class, so please speak to your wealth manager if you need to look at those. They are available in the 3 main risk strategies, defensive, balance, and growth, where the fixed income and equity portions vary depending on the level of risk. In addition, the UK funds also have a 100% equity growth strategy. How does CMAF invest in markets? Now, CMAF invests using a blended approach, which means that we can buy direct bonds and equities, it can buy a third-party actively managed fund, or it can use an index tracker. So let me bring that to life. For example, we have a healthcare position in the portfolio. We could buy stocks of Roche, which is a big Swiss pharma giant. We could buy Polar Healthcare, which is an actively managed fund, and we can access the biotechnology angle. Or we can buy the Legal and General Healthcare Index Tracker. And we would do that in some combination depending on the opportunity. In addition, CMAF also has the ability to use derivatives for efficient portfolio management. And it could do that by accessing the futures market in order to reduce costs or reduce volatility in the portfolio. Or it could also use currency forwards in order to hedge out the currency risk. How is CMAF managed? CMAF has a team-based approach. So in addition to the dedicated portfolio managers on the fund, there is also an experienced investment team with a variety of backgrounds. So there are people who do funds research, there are people who do bonds and equity analysis, there are risk management teams, and there is an investment strategy team. If you want to find out more about the CMAF funds, please speak to your wealth manager or your private banker.